remember? Then they say they find roach and a dog. That's why no people don't come here again. But me hungry, if a dog me and my dog me and guys, welcome back to the channel. This is V-La-Nessa and I'm just gonna do a little vlog for you today. It's like a Christmas vlog, not a vlogmas, just like a vlog of me preparing for the Christmas. Now today I'm going on the road because I need to get my pixie gift. I need to pick up some stuff, like a few stuff for the house and some other stuff. So I gonna bring you with me, yeah. So stay tuned for the video, guys. Yeah. Okay, so this is the fit. I just went super casual because you know the road messy. I just want to be comfortable. So I have on this hat, yeah, and this wig, and this top, leggings, and my Puma sneakers, and that's it. So that's what I'm going to wear today. I want to go Western Union, and then Papa Western Union outer road, so I'm not going to the town, so hopefully it's not full. Hopefully they have money, so I'm gonna check that out. If not, then I have to go to Spanish Town and I might not get the money today. So hopefully Western Union outer road at work. You understand? Because if a Spanish Town I have to go or Old Harbor, not going to get through for now. Anyway, I'm gonna go, so let's go. Come with me, right? I have so much stuff to do today. I don't even know everything I need to write a list. I need to go on my phone and write a list of everything that I need to do. I know I need to go to Western Union. I'm going to do that first. Hopefully enough full. And I need to pick up a package. I need to do some shopping and I need to buy the gift for the pixie and some other stuff. So we're gonna see how that work out today. So the Western Union is over there. Not even too far. Let's hope it's working. Like God do, please make it a work. God make money in it. God make enough full, cause I don't wanna go Spanish Town or so forth. So I'm gonna try that. Let's see how it goes. Let me reach over there and show you. I swear, it's the best thing since sliced bread. Not even 10 minutes I'm spending on the line. Now I'm gonna go Old Harbor. Wait on a taxi to go Old Harbor. Best thing since sliced bread. In a Christmas. Which Western Union you gonna see it's empty in a Christmas? Guys, the first man come over the plaza here. Don't let us send nice bag and so forth. So I'm just walk it out to see how it look. Them still do construction. Running. So a whole heap of space that will be available. And I don't even know what this plaza called, but I will get it and put it on the screen. But it's a new plaza in Old Harbor. And Old Harbor, the taxi stand side there, so it's actually nice. actually look for the original one, the big one. I want to find this one. And I have the original of this. Watch it. Alright guys, so I reach back home and I'm gonna pack all the stuff now. I think I have to go back on the road, like go Spanish Town, because we don't want to go on the road no other day. So I'm gonna just pack these out, let you see what I bought, and then head back to Spanish Town. So I got this. And then guys, this is not really Christmas shopping, this is just my regular shopping because I don't go all out for Christmas. Sorry. I just need to buy that gift. The gifts. I already have one gift. And I need to buy a cookies and probably one meat and egg. Yeah. Alright guys, so these are all that I got. I got corn on the cob, bacon, shrimps, burger, sausage, sweet pepper, this, that. You know, these are all the stuff that I got. And then all of this come up to $14,617 for just this, you know, just that. It's not even a lot. Jamaican is cheap at all. Like just let me look at something there for $15,000 and I still don't get like the egg, bread and those stuff. So I want to pack these up and then go back on the road. Gonna go to Spanish Town this time, see if I can get the gift, because I don't want to go back on the road for this week, no, unless I'm going to church. Don't want to. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna wash my face and freshen up. I was gonna change my shirt, but nobody am. So on to Spanish Town I go. Why hard to find a gift? It's hard to find a gift, like literally. Finally home. And I'll go back on the road until after January, because it's too crazy. It's not as crazy as I thought it was crazy about. Am I the only one that when they go up on the road they just want to hurry up, take off the hat, take off the wig, and go bed? Is it reach home? No sir. Outside hot. I don't want to go back out there. I'm not going back out there. I didn't get everything that I want. I got the gifts, got the egg, don't get the hair, so I just have to beat one of them weekday for church. So that's alright. I'm not going to do me hair. Look what the hat do me. Right. No, so I'm going to bed. Like guys, after that run on the road, I still didn't get a lot of stuff. I didn't get any meat, I didn't buy any bread, and I wanted plantain and I wanted pear. But guess what just happened? You see, that's why it's good to live good with people, you know. My neighbor just carry plantain and pear. Come give me. You can't imagine that? Plantain and pear. I'm going to show you the plantain. Said a 3 plants and I think a 2. imagine that? I am so glad. Thank you. Yeah, so it's late. So tomorrow I'm gonna pick up back on the vlog and end it out. Well done, come in here now. Come and Spanish Town for look for gift and in here buy shoes for yourself. Make sure you say you have money, you know. Put it, you don't want this? You don't want it? Like this? Hmm? No? You have this in a size 10? You don't have to buy that either? You don't have to buy that either? But if you have, no, but if you buy shoes, I have to buy it. Because if you go buy at the Chinese store, then it don't make no sense. Who my Chinese store? You don't get ready. Listen. We just take off. No, we keep on a little mud. We just take off the same shoes. That means that this over bad. No, that means that it's you have buy. We just take out the same shoes. No, you're now. Your Levi is expensive, you know. You don't really want to see it. But, alright, which, alright, I'm telling you, you see me buy shoes from them, treat yourself like one time for the month, right? Buy one shoes. You buy it in the colorway you always buy. Because guess what? When you go out, you can change them. So, you're going to buy this now. You're going to buy this now. And then next time you buy one blue color, next time you buy one red color, and then so you see your wardrobe start build up. Me like this. Me like this. I look sick pie. But if I'm not going to look fine. No, but you don't need. Then if you like the one there, if you come over this size, you know, size 10, that which part is there? Which one that? I just size 10 and
no, you can ask them if they must can ask them if you have your like.
Yeah, size 10, that sign up 9 where you put the big still.
No man, 11 this enough. This you can use working shoes to iron effort. Mario. Oh. Ask them if you have 11 of this. Yes. Ask them if you have 11 of this.
11? Look, so 11 years ago over 11 and look. Go over 11 and look. Which one that? Which one that? 10 and a half?
No.
What size is this?
No.
Which one you get that one here? A 10 and a half. So that means I 11 you would have to look for. Oh, you have on your socks too, that's why.
When you buy two full
See one
price, you get one shoe spray. When you buy two
which one
shoes,
is alright?
the second one are 60% off, more than half.
Over there on BOGO sale, so if you buy 2 shoes, you get one off, one and a half. So this year they get full price, and the next one now, you get half price.
The deals are buy one get 60% of the second item.
Oh, 60%.
Or pay the full price of 2, get a third one for free. Sorry.
Oh, cool. You hear that, Brandon? So it no matter if a man or a woman.
No matter anywhere, baby, anywhere you want.
You hear that?
It can be a handbag, it can be a bag.
Yeah, but that look neat. That looks sick.
How much is a third class shoes in that? Do you understand?
You buy this?
No, company. That's for sure. You check for
me. No say expensive because of Timberland. So you not buy that? Not try it on? I don't like it again.
The front part looks too close-ish.
You try it on?
No.
Try it on. Then I'm charge if you try it on.
That's the one all the shoes are still out of my one.
No, but me want you get one nice shoes. You always spend for your woman, spend for yourself now. You're not gonna like me. And then when you buy socks, you need to buy the ankle socks them. That tight? It tight?
No way, but
lift up your foot. I think it's alright. It need no?
Nah, lock was more lock.
See, you need a 10 and a half thing. You need that 10.5. It kind of look tight on it.
Yeah, it look tight. Like man say, let me see if I just 10, it's also 10. I say, no, it's not alright. It's also 10. That's what I say. You see how this looks? If you go collect one shoes, 12.
Yeah, get a different shoes?
Yeah. You're telling us. And the man gonna take 2. Like what?
You don't take carefully? Take carefully. Outside, she not have the 10.5. You can ask her, she have 10.5. But a 10.5 with the under, so comes it.
How we are the okay? 10 that.
If we got to, we have to buy the gift. It's right there.
I want my teeth over there, even. No. It's something trying to say that.
Uma. Uma. This is nice. This is my style. 10.5.
19 or the pen again?
If I 95, hold on.
19, 17, 41.
That the year they will not make you know.
1970. Hey, we're not going to live this the year, eh? Come on, come. You need to go buy the girls them something. So we're going to just buy the girls something. And you're going to look at pants. You know want the pants? You can't go in one of these stores. Oh, we are
Natalia.
You find no man?
No. Release. Our step family.
The step family, huh?
See, look like it. See, look like it now. What's all?
Come, you never stay from so far. So far you're there.
You see it all?
Yeah, no, no, Jesus. You're here, all that. You want fucking step cousin. The man there.
Yo, come and get one jug for her.
You want to buy a jug? So. Anything we buy must in Ireland? In your name cheap and clean. We know it's a Chanel do you want then look at foolishness there. How much it is? $600? Earring. Think you know me buy this? Add to it. Add to it. Right? It just look nice, though. Like what you want $1. Let's buy her this. You spend only for money for her. The sacrifices have to make sometimes. You know, I mean, nothing too. You have the game them. I think you don't own this. So yeah, like the Monopoly and so you could have buy that too.
No man, you know.
You don't think so?
You want something she can look on her bed every minute and say rather than the buy.
Oh, you can that go dash mash up no?
Yeah.
Look on the other side.
And last time
Okay,
something. Buy something you can stay on the bed or stay on the dresser or stay somewhere.
So guys, well done, make me a struggle with the bag them. And I feel something them. But I saw them stay, man. But you remember, then we say they find roach and other dog. That's why no people don't come here again. But me hungry, if a dog me and my dog me and don't. If a dog a dog. You're supposed to all me and only for someone we don't know.
Give the girl more work, isn't it?
But you have Toby.
But
I don't understand you, you know. I don't understand you. Soon give a big sister talk. Boring Spanish town. Not even little festivity. Just some boring pepper lights. The night lights look nice. Look,
Nightlife.
the cloud. You see? Yeah guys, so that vlog was basically just me shopping and me carrying Raldan to shop because he really cannot shop, and we were shopping for Christmas presents, you know. So you would have heard that I joined Pixie with the kids, and that's what we're shopping for. I'm not really doing this one bag of Christmas thing, as you know. I mean, we don't need to do all of that, and we don't have the money for this. You understand? It is grandmarking at the 24th Christmas Eve, so I'm going to pick out my clothes for church tomorrow. I'm actually going to Kadi church and not my church because my church is full. I already kind of pick up my clothes. I already know what I wear because every year is the same cardigan. And here's the food. Yeah, so I'm beating yellow with it. So I can't wait to wear it tomorrow and take pictures. Yeah. I was very adamant that I'm going to, like, you know, I always try to go Christmas service, right? And yeah, so I am excited to wear that. I'm so glad that I did. You see, like, for the past 4 years, well, it's going to be the 5th year, right? I never went out of my way to buy clothes to match the cardigan, and every year I said that I need to buy something, and it so happened that I don't have any money and I find something in my closet. Like, I never repeat a bottom before, only the cardigan. It's just like I just, it wasn't meant to be a tradition. I'm going to show you the picture. It wasn't meant to be a tradition, but I just, like, after last year I said, you know what, I'm going to make it a tradition. Hopefully you know, get Jara and Powing. So yeah, so I'm going to wear yellow tomorrow and I think it's gonna look so good. And yeah, so I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas, like Merry Christmas. And remember, the reason for the season is Christ. It's not about Santa Claus. It's not about getting gift. You know, tomorrow meditate on God. And I know that many say that he was born on the 25th. We just want to know that he born. And whichever day we want to celebrate it, we don't want to celebrate it on February birthday. We want to celebrate it on the 25th. We want to celebrate it on July the 4th. We want to celebrate it on August the 6th. It don't matter. We just want to celebrate him, the fact that he was born. So remember, tomorrow reflect on God, give him thanks, and enjoy your family. So Merry Christmas. And for Merry Christmas, please to subscribe, like, share, turn on the post notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.